In this video, we're going to cover the basics of how to create styles in Figma. So I created these different text layers, these different colors, and these different effects of this drop shadow, as well as a layout. So let's see how to create styles. So for the text layers, you can go up here to the 4 dots, and this is how you create a style. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to click the plus. And now let's give it a name of H1. And so now if I wanted to change this here to H1, I can come up to this style menu here and click H1, and you see that it changes. So I'm just going to duplicate how I created a style for this first headline for the rest of these text styles. Okay, so now you see that we have these local styles here defined. If I wanted to change the name, I just go and double click, and let's make that lowercase h4. And so now we have our text styles. So the process is very similar for creating color styles. Again, you just go up to the 4 dots under the fill section here, and we're going to click the plus, and we're going to call this primary. And we're going to create the style. I'm going to now create styles for all of the other colors that we have here. And again, for effects, same process. And you can even add styles for your layout. So I have this 4-column layout for mobile. So we're going to create a mobile layout. Okay, so now you see we have all of these styles defined. So this will really speed up our design process. So for instance, if I just type out some text, hello, and now I want this to be a H1, I can make it H1, I can make it H3, I can even add effects to it, which I wouldn't recommend. You can also detach styles. So if I wanted to make a edit of this style, I could do so, and when you detach it, it's not going to affect the defined style locally here. If you do want to change any of these styles, you can go here to the edit style option, and you can click, and then you can edit the property, and notice how it's changing on the screen. So I'm just going to undo that. So this is the basics of style. I hope it speeds up your process.